In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the owner of a document in Google Docs. This is an essential skill, especially when you're collaborating with multiple people and you need to know who has ultimate control over the document. Let's walk through this process together. First things first, you'll need to open the document in Google Docs. If you haven't done this before, you'll need to log into your Google account and from there navigate to Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the document you need to check. You can simply double-click on the document to open it in Google Docs. This is the first step and is as simple as opening any file from your drive. Now that your document is open, look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the File menu there. Click on that. It's important to remember that this File menu is your gateway to various settings and options for your document. It's where you can create a new document, export your text, and yes, check the document's details too. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you need to select the option that says Details. This step is crucial because the Details panel will provide you with information about the document, which includes its owner. It's placed right between other document-related settings, so make sure not to click out of it accidentally. It's a pretty straightforward option, but can be easily overlooked if you're new to Google Docs. Once you've selected Details, a panel will pop up. This is the Document Details panel. Now this is where you'll find what you're looking for. The owner's information will be clearly listed here. If you're the owner of the document, it will straightforwardly say, Me, next to the owner's label. But if someone else owns the document, their name or their email address will be displayed. Understanding this can help with resolving access issues or when you need permission to make certain changes. So that's it. Quite a simple process, but a useful one. Knowing who owns the document gives you insight into who can change sharing permissions or who ultimately can make edits or take ownership of the document decisions. This is particularly helpful in team settings where documents are shared and edited regularly. I hope that breaks it down for you in an easy-to-follow way. Remember, understanding these small yet powerful features can ease your document management considerably. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.